Making serious money with multiple income sources in the year 2030 will likely require a combination of foresight, adaptability, and a strong understanding of emerging trends and technologies. While I can't predict specific opportunities that will arise in 2030, I can suggest some general strategies that could help us position ourselves for success. Embrace technology and innovation. Stay informed about emerging technologies and trends that are likely to shape industries in the future, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, renewable energy, biotechnology, and virtual reality. Investing in or starting businesses related to these fields can lead to significant returns. Build a diverse investment portfolio. Invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, real estate, cryptocurrencies, and startups. Diversifying our investments can help mitigate risk and provide multiple streams of potential income. Develop high-demand skills. Acquire skills that are in high demand and likely to remain relevant in the future job market. Continuous learning and staying up to date with industry changes will be crucial. Start an online business. Leverage the power of the internet to start an online business. E-commerce, digital products, and online services can offer substantial income potential with relatively low overhead costs. Invest in green initiatives. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, consider investing in eco-friendly businesses and initiatives. Green energy, sustainable agriculture, and environmentally conscious technologies may gain traction. Participate in the gig economy. Freelancing and gig work are expected to continue growing in popularity. Offer our skills and services on platforms catering to the gig economy. Build passive income streams. Create passive income sources that require minimal ongoing effort, such as rental income, dividend-paying investments, or royalties from creative works. Leverage the power of social media. Build a personal brand and monetize it through social media platforms. Influencer marketing and content creation can be lucrative if done effectively. Explore the sharing economy. Consider participating in the sharing economy by renting out assets we own, such as vehicles or properties, through platforms like Airbnb or car-sharing services. Network and collaborate. Build strong professional networks and seek opportunities for collaboration. Synergizing with like-minded individuals.